this next weekend, that's the 10th, 11th, 12th, we have our spring open house. So we'll start with classes. We're introducing new products, new plants then, and the growers that grew those, they're here. Mainly on Saturday. I think I've got a couple on Sunday. I've got one that couldn't make it. He's coming next weekend, it's the 18th. But these are folks that they live and die plants, and they're going to be here at the garden center. I just call them friends, but you can meet them. You can talk. I mean, you can go as nerdy on plants as you want. Just go deep on them, and they'll eat that up. They love it. And they're introducing their plants. I give them the class on Saturday, 9:30 next week. So I never know how it's going to go. I kind of curate it and kind of keep them going, because some of these guys go really deep. Once they get a microphone, they're going, I could tell you how we developed this, how we grafted, had these certain strains, came back, and voila, magic happened. And now we introduce this plant. They can go deep into this, but I got to give time to everyone. So there's probably 10 different growers here next week. It's super fun. There'll be hot dogs. It'll be a great time.